Get in there, Chelsea. Go, go, go. Don't let him run you over.
Get ready, Lauren.
She sticks with that ball. She is good.
Good job, Chelsea.
Go, Chelsea, go.
Somebody, I don't know name.
Get it, Chichi, get it!
Except for
Turn
Libby.
it, turn it.
Kick it hard! Kick it hard!
Pass it. Don't. Get in there, Mel. Get in there.
Kick it! There you go!
Yeah.
All right.
Yay.
I don't know who got that one. And I don't care. The goalie was on the other side.
Melanie,
Our
defense was up there.
I know. I thought maybe they switched.
Got it? Tell me to bring my camera to the games.
Don't hit me. Whack right on the bone.
Get it, girls. Go, 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 go.
Get it, Chelsea!
Oh,
Go, Mel.
good stop.
There
Go,
it
go,
is.
Libby, get it, Libby. Get in there, girls. There you go.
Keep going. Follow that ball.
Yeah.
Follow through.
Whoa.
Get it,
Whoa.
Lauren,
Get
get
it.
it. Clear it out. Kick it.
No, not that way. Go get it.
Go, Mel.
Turn it around.
Watch that ball, Katie.
Kicked it.
Get on it, Mel. Don't let him get that ball. Don't let him
Pick
get
it up. Pick it up, Katie. Good job. Don't throw it in the middle of the goal.
I didn't either, especially being out here like this.
Come on, pass it.
Our player, the ball bouncer, just kind of hit it forward and then ran it. That was a handball.